Okay, no issue.
Okay. I'm dealing with somebody from
Go!
Microsoft. They're trying to help
Go!
me with my firewall. Hackers on my computer too.
Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah.
Yes, that is the reason. Switch off the computer.
Oh, well, I'm trying to go to Amazon. What happened?
So what you need to do is, you need to switch off your...
Please don't make me. Please do not.
What the doing here, people?
But there's a car coming.
I don't care. That's not how you do that.
But don't hit that car.
That's not how you do that. Back
Go.
up. Back up. No,
There's
that's
a
not how
car
that works.
there.
Back up.
Go.
You're an idiot. Back up. You f***ing moron. That's not how that fucking works.
What are you gonna do when someone pulls out a gun and shoots you?
Die.
Oh my God! Over getting into the driveway.
Idiot.
Got your plate trying to hit him. What are you doing, man? What was that? Seriously. I got it. I'll report him.
Oh, car accident, bro. Whoa.
Dude, go. You gotta go back. You're on the wrong. Go. You have to go back. No, you have to go over there. No, go. You go. I have the stop sign. No, I have the stop sign. No, you have to go.
Well, you're sitting there on my... You're sitting there on... Dude?
You're flying.
I'm flying. You're sitting there on my... The car in front of me. If I was flying, I'd rear end his ass.
You're doing 50.
I'm doing 50. I was doing 4D. 4D. 40. Beat the shit out of me. All I wanted was you to not be on my... That's all I asked for. And you got your panties in a fucking twist. Dude. Dude.
Who are you yelling at, boy?
Dude.
Dude,
Don't you... Dude. Telling you.
Come on.
You're the one threatening me. Did you just gonna hit me? Are you fucking kidding me?
What you gonna What? Flying! 40! I'm doing 40. I have a dash cam on my fucking car. I'm doing 40. I'll bring it to any fucking person. I'm doing 40.
What the f... What the f...
Said nobody ever. On the way from the Fishes Keep the Faith, a world-class aerialist and acrobat shares having to adapt.
What the f... Bro?
During these strange times we're living in.
We do know.
Why you riding me so close, bro?
Pretty much on and off the brakes with the street. That's pretty cool.